I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by updating and opening Ibis Paint X so features match the store version. Once done, make sure you're signed into your App Store or Google Play account with a payment method ready. Then open the app and tap the main menu or your profile icon to access settings. This is where the Remove Ads option appears. You're doing this first to avoid errors during purchase and to ensure the app recognizes your store account immediately, which speeds the next steps. Now you buy the Remove Ads option inside Ibis Paint X. Find the Remove Ads button in Settings or tap the banner offering Prime. Choose either the one-time Remove Ads purchase or a Prime subscription if you want extra features. Once selected, confirm the transaction with your store authentication, Face ID, password, or whatever your device requires. This purchase tells the app to stop loading ad networks for your account. So once payment completes, the change is applied to your user profile. Finish by restarting Ibis Paint X and navigating through a few tools and galleries to verify ads are removed. If you still see ads, make sure the purchase receipt appears in your App Store or Google Play history and tap Restore Purchases inside Ibis Paint X. This reconnects your purchase to the app. If that fails, back up your galleries, uninstall and reinstall the app, then restore purchases after reinstalling. This usually resolves account sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.